In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a website on Google Chrome for free. So if you find this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. First, I need to going on this Google, then type Chrome Web Store, then open it. So I click on the first link, then here I type blog website. So I choose first one. This is really good, and this is millions of plus user. So I need to click on just add Chrome. Again, click on add extension. Okay, you can see it's automatically add on my Chrome extension. Now you need to just going this site. Okay, okay, I skip all the things, so you can see this is a paid plans. Okay, you can see I skip all the things. Now you can see this is the first option, block site. Just click here, then click on add to block list. So example purpose, I write here youtube.com. Okay, now click on plus, again click on done. That's it. Now if I going on YouTube, then here I type YouTube. But you can see this is a blog I cannot access on YouTube. So this is the method how you can block a website on Google Chrome. It's totally free. If you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel.